y'all. Hey, how y'all doing? Hope everybody's feeling good and great and all of that shit. That you had a wonderful weekend. Well, you know it's Tuesday. I didn't come on here on Monday, but you know, hey, I'm here now. Uh, listen. So yeah, y'all know how we do. We on some high vibrational shit over here. Just period. Black shit over here. Just period. That's just how we move over here. I never gave a damn. I ain't never gave no fucks. Fell out with them hoes. I ain't never making up. Back for everything I ever lost. I'm on a mission. Turned this whole house into a booth. We in the kitchen. Let her cook. Hey, I know how we do it. Just jump right into do it. Yo, instead of Sex Tip Tuesday, I just want to, something really caught my eye, which was always have been in my head, but it had caught my eye because I had actually watched the movie, and I don't know if y'all have ever watched this shit. At the time when I watched it back, I think this came out in the 80s, I didn't get it. Like, or really like understand the direction in which they was going. And that was I'm Gonna Get You Sucka with the Wayans, right? That movie was fucking funny. It just had so many great people in it. But they did talk about something that is happening right now. So I think that they were definitely forward thinking and what the future holds because you bitches is doing it right now. They was on the money with this shit and you bitches is doing that shit right now with all this shit. So y'all watch these couple of clips and we'll talk.
I lied. I really don't have 12 inches. No? I hope I didn't disappoint you.
We'll have a confession to make too. My eyes aren't really green.
Another secret.
This is nice in the summer. Oh wait. I am glad to get these off.
How about that? But it's please don't do
They're not even the right color. This voluptuous ass of mine. Guys, always get a kick out of this one way. Oh God, I feel so much better. I know you do too.
You see? You
No way.
I have got.
Oh please, Jeremy, come on. Don't make me hop after you. Come on, baby.
How homegirl came jumping. Which they have no legs, she jumped no hair, fake ass, fake titties, fake eyes, just a whole bunch of shit. Like it's just a whole bunch of that shit going on. Like, look, I'm not here to fucking to bash the ladies who do whatever they do with their body because you're gonna do what you want to do because why is you? So you do you. You understand what I'm saying? But what I'm saying is that they were very forward in their thinking. With all this fake shit, and look at now that happened in the 80s, I believe, or the early 90s, some shit like that. So that's like what, like 20 something years ago. And in 2025, this is exactly what's happening right now. I couldn't find the video. Y'all see the videos of the chicks who put the fucking makeup on? Like, I mean, they put that shit on so thick. I don't even know how y'all really do that, but whatever. To where they like really transform, like, woof, 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 woof. Remember how Wonder Woman used to turn and turn into a whole nother bitch? Like, y'all turn into a whole nother bitch. Like, bitch, who is you? Like, that shit is, like, it is fucking crazy. It is fucking crazy. I'm glad I ain't gotta do that shit. I'm just saying, thank God. Just thank God. You know what I'm saying? That I love who I am and all that shit. And I hope that everybody else do. But look, like I said, this is not a bashing of the women who choose to want to go get a little here and a little here and a little here and some here and here and here. You know what I'm saying? Like, whatever the fuck. Here. I don't know the fuck you bitches be doing. Like, and there, like, cause your forehead do the wrinkly shit. Like, bitches, girl. Let me tell you something. I think that my sisters, unfortunately, like y'all, somebody said something so fucking powerful today that I watched, and that was Mike Epps. He was on the Breakfast Club, and he said this.
Shit. I guess it's systematically. You know what I mean? We cannot get away from race. We cannot get away from slavery. It's just keep on. It's just a thin line of that shit still in the community, man. And if you match it up to back in slavery, it's still the same. You know, they used to take one brother, and put some clothes on him, and have him sitting on the porch with a lemonade looking at the rest of the dudes out there in the field. Mm-hmm. They still doing that shit. And we still like forgetting it. It's like, hey, if you standing up there with some clothes on and you got a lemonade in your hand and you see them brothers out there in the field, they ain't got nothing. You got to sneak out the house at night, man, to go get them something, man.
That's right.
And if you the man, you can't be afraid to be standing next to another black man because you scared he gonna get some shit. That's some hating shit too. If you the man and the people, the powers that be is paying you and making you who you are, and you don't want to stand next to it, that means you don't want the powers to be to see them. You trying to be, that's what I don't like. Mm-hmm. Ice Cube, I got into business through Ice Cube. I didn't get into business through, and white people like who they like.
And that's so true. We cannot get away from motherfucking slavery. Like, because the shit is affecting, and it has affected us to this day and since then. Y'all think about, like, with black women and their hair. Like, I'm just saying, look, like I said, ain't no bashing, but I'm just saying, like, if you really give it some thought, the way that your hair naturally comes out of your fucking head naturally, you feel like you have to straighten your shit. But that's also been because they have been telling you that. The Caucasian, no, you can't look like you. You too black, you too powerful, you too strong, and you too beautiful. And it makes me, not me, but the Caucasian. That makes them feel inferior. And another thing so that wait, before I go there, that is the reason why a lot of black women just haven't been able to just like to grasp who they are and also where who they are like in the workplace. Because the motherfucker, what was that one girl on Basketball Wives? The one else from Nigeria, she said that when she worked in corporate, I guess she was wearing her hair in the fro. Them motherfuckers told that bitch, go comb your hair. I wish a Caucasian little dick ass man would. I think God be keeping me away from shit like that. Because you're going to get the tongue lashing of your life. And I bet you, and when I finish with your motherfucking asshole, I bet you would never, ever say no shit like that to a black woman ever in your life. Or some Caucasian. And but I was about to finish this one thought. So it was these, I know y'all seen like what was that? In Cincinnati, I believe it was somewhere in Ohio, I believe. Where these Caucasian, these reckless, miserable, jealous ass people, insecure ass people came to the black area and put up this sign about, not liking black people, whatever the fuck the stupid shit that they do because you insecure, you jealous, and you just have a whole bunch of shit going on in your life. But that's on you. And that hatred that's just lingering inside your entire body because you feel some way about you. But the one thing that I peeped about the shit is that the Caucasian little cunt, why they had showed them, the police went to them and was being all nice and kind to them after them black people done ran them the fuck up out their motherfucking neighborhood, bitch. No, you would not come over here and do that. Y'all done did that shit too much, going up in the churches, shooting up the people, going to the black areas in the supermarket, You're not doing that shit over here, bitch. And the one thing I noticed about why he had, how like the Africans, like they stretch their ear, but he had that. This is the Caucasian. You hate so much, but yet you trying to be like, bitch. You trying to be like, bitch. Bitch, you trying to be like. And the wild shit about that shit is that these motherfuckers can stretch their ears and put the shit in their hair and wear cornrows and do all the things. But yet, like, as a black person, oh no, it's a problem. Why? Because you too black and you too strong. And you too beautiful. And it makes a motherfucker feel away. But yet they try to be like you and do the shit that you do. That's a part of who you are. Y'all gotta peep the shit that be going on around this motherfucker, because it's a whole bunch of shit that be going on around this motherfucker. But back to the Wayans, I just want to shout them out because they were very avant-garde and they motherfucking thinking, because that's exactly what's happening, well, been happening in the 2000s. Love yourself, bitch. Like, I don't know why everybody feel like they gotta have a fat or fatter ass or the bigger titties, or, you know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck is going on? And then I also want to address this shit. I can't find this video. It's some black, a black gay boy who I guess he built up, like, you know, like some black men can't have like the body of like their mother, like with the thighs. You know, we have big thighs, and clearly he got like a butt, whatever. I don't know if his butt is done or whatever, but he over there giving black women advice. Boy, if you don't sit your ass down, you can't give me no advice about nothing about being a woman. All you can do is take it. Advice from me. Because you cannot. No. Yo, this shit is crazy. But, and the crazy shit, now, I'm just saying you can't get information from motherfuckers just for me personally. No, you can't give me no information about being a woman as a man. And I know that you feel like that, whatever, okay, and that's fine. You know what I'm saying? But no. But that shit is wild. That's just some wild ass shit. That's another wild ass shit that I motherfucking discovered. Just like, what the fuck is going the fuck on around this motherfucker? And another thing too that I want to tell, well, should I save that for tomorrow? I think I'll save that. Yeah, I'll save that. But yeah, shout out to the Wayans. Definitely an iconic motherfucking family, how they got together and did their thing. But that scene right there, oh my Lord, was on the money. Like, yup, that was, and this is what's happening right motherfucking now. Because you bitches is going through these crises. I don't know what the fuck y'all going through. The self-love is out the window. That's what it is. It is out the fucking window. Like, looking at yourself and loving you, stop looking at the next bitch. If a bitch got a big old ass, she got a big old ass. You can just be like, girl. You know, like, if I see a bitch that's bad, I'll be like, bitch. You know what I'm saying? Like, bitch. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, definitely, they'll get that. Like, I don't have no problem with that. See, that's called being secure, like, within yourself. When you secure within yourself, you won't be worried about what the next bitch got going on. You can compliment the next woman that's, like, you know what I'm saying, that may be voluptuous in whatever areas on her body. But it's so much more than the body. It's also what's in your mind. What's your personality like? And a lot of you bitches are wonk, 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 wonk. Well, I guess I don't know. But the point of the shit is, like, bitches, love yourself. It's so important to do that and stop looking at the next motherfucker and all that shit. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the Wayans brothers things. Let me know what y'all think about the gay boy that kind of, he do have a build of, he a black gay boy who do have a build of a black woman giving black women advice on, like, women advice. I'm not saying he can't, I'm just saying, what's your thoughts? Because for me, you can't tell me shit. That's just me. And the Caucasians who came in the black area and tried to, you know, try to do some destruction, but yet they got kicked the fuck up out of there. And then I looked, and these motherfuckers rocking shit that they do in Africa. Yo. If y'all don't be seeing the bigger picture, you will forever be fucking lost. If you do not see the big picture, motherfuckers, y'all will forever be motherfucking lost. And looking at motherfucker, you have your motherfucking kids who may go to school with other people who don't look like them, and then they'll be saying that they half of that. Oh, I'm half Spanish, I'm half Asian, bitch, what? No, bitch, what? Bitch, what? You don't even know your power because you just don't even know it. Which is the saddest thing on this earth for a black person. Because they want to keep you ignorant. I can go on and on and on. But y'all let me know what y'all motherfucking think. Because I really would like to know your thoughts. Please. Y'all know my name is Real. I'm an intimacy coach / seduction with the service called Seductive ArT. And I will be having my next Seductive ArT workshop coming up in May. I'll keep y'all abreast on that. As well as I'm an author. The title of my book is called Quickie and 7 Short Erotic Stories. Read while you fuck while you read. And I am a designer. The name of my book, this is one of my designs right here. It has a skirt also that go to it. The name of my brand is Real Nice by Real. I am in the process of setting up shop because it's a thing. But I'll keep y'all posted on that. And, you know, if I resonate with you, you know what to do. Please hit that, click that. I would appreciate that. And y'all know how we lead this motherfucker. Be humble, be kind, be boisterous, be opinionated, be a part of your community, be about your motherfucking money. Black people, be black and proud in every sense of the motherfucking word. Be kind, be humble, be a great listener, be supportive, be confident, be ambitious, be focused, be loving, be thoughtful, be mindful. Be great at what you're great at. Be fierce. Be one with God. Be well in your wellness with the big 5 that I created, which is being well in your mental, your physical, your spiritual, your financial, and your emotional well-being. Be great. And in the midst of you doing all of these great things, don't you ever fold. Don't you think twice. Don't you peep around the corner. And that is, you always be you. Because God made you perfect just as you are. Until we meet again, y'all have a great night. Peace.